Hi, hello viewers. Here is the crack the code puzzle. You have to crack the 5-digit number using these 5 clues. If you wish to solve yourself, just pause the video and give a try. Or here is the solution. Crack the 5-digit code from these clues. Let me begin with the last 2 clues. In these 2 clues, it is said that a 2 number which is correct here or at the correct place. And here the 1 number which is at the correct place. So from these 2 clues, if you take these 2 clues, the digits 9 appears in both the clues. 7 appears in both the clues. 0 appears in both. So here the number which is at the correct place. Hence, if it is here in this clue and it has to be in the same position. As it is not in the same position, it means that this number will not be in this code. Hence, let's cross out the numbers which appear in both. And if it is not at the same position. So 7 appears in both, but is it not at the same position? So let's cross out. 0 appears in both and it is not in the same position. Hence, it will not be the correct number. After crossing out these digits, the crossed out digits numbers are 0, 7, 9. So if 0, 7, 9 appears in other clues, let's cross out that also. 0, 7 and 9. After crossing out this, the remaining numbers in this is 1 and 4. So these are the 2 numbers correct. And as it is said that it is at the correct place, let's take these 2 numbers 1 and 4 and place it in the same position. Next, in this clue, the 3 numbers correct but in wrong place. So after crossing out these 2 numbers, the remaining are the 3 numbers which is correct. So 4, 5, 3 or the 3 numbers which is correct. And then let's move on to the this clue which says that 2 numbers are correct here. So we have identified already this one is the correct number. Remaining number is what? 8, 2 or 6. So if you compare the first one and the last clue, it is said that in these 2 numbers, in this number which is correct is at the wrong place. And here the number which is correct is at the correct place. So in these 2 clues, if any number appears, the same digit appears in both the clues, yes, 6 appears in both, and it's at this 2 also appears in both but at different position, but 6 appears in both and at the same position. So the number which is here in the wrong place can't be the number which is at the correct place here, as it is in the same position. Hence, it's the wrong number. It will not be in the code. Cross out. 6 will not be in the code. So remaining is, after crossing out 6, the remaining number is only 2. So hence 2 is the number which is correct and at the correct place. So let's take 2 and place it in the same position. So 2 is the correct number. So the 2 numbers correct in this clue is 2 and 1. So 8 is wrong. So let's cross out 8 in this clue also. So 2 is the correct number. So in this clue, the 2 numbers correct are 2 and the remaining 3. These are the 2 numbers which is correct, and 1 at the correct place and 1 at the wrong place. So 2 already placed, which is not same, right? It means the wrong place digit is 2. Correct place digit will be this one, 3. Hence take 3 and place it in the same. After this, the remaining is here the other digit, which is 5. 5 only the correct number which has to be, we have to place. Let's place it in the remaining position. Hence, we have identified the correct 5-digit code from these clues, which is 5, 1, 3, 2, 4.